Assalamualaikum. Before starting, let's introduce myself. I am Mashuka Yeasmin, student of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Northwestern University, Khulna. My team member has some contribution to complete this project we named Hotel Management System. Now describe the project. Hotel Management System is software developed by Python using tkinter module to handle the basic functions of hotel process. It is a process to use add new information in database, view information which is stored in database, as well as update and delete this information if needed, and also search particular information through this project. It also provides information to admin, receptionist and customers. There are some objectives in this project, like to eliminate huge storage of data paper by storing data into database, to simplify search, update and delete process, to manage customers' personal information, customers' check-in or check-out information, as well as his booking and billing details. The another objective of this project is to calculate the customer's bill easily. In this project, there are some dependencies such as XAMPP. XAMPP is a local server. This is XAMPP, which is used for database of hotel management system. XAMPP software is needed for running the project successfully. Then another dependencies is Python. To build this project, we used Python language. To run this project successfully, some Python package are needed to install, that is listed into the readme.txt in project source code. The another dependency is tkinter. For the user interface, we have used Python tkinter module. So tkinter module is much important to execute the project successfully. There are three characters in hotel management system called admin, receptionist and customers. They have an unique view and their own features. Now let's explain their view and features by executing the project. This is the home page of hotel management system. There are three buttons: admin, receptionist and customers. Start with admin button. After clicking admin button, the admin login page is open, and giving ID and password, and then clicking on login button, and admin can go to admin homepage. After clicking customer button, an admin can view the basic information of a customer. After clicking more customer information, he can also can view the status of the customers. After clicking room button, the admin can view room details and also add room details, giving the floor number, room type, if the room is available or not, and the room price. Selecting a room, then change any value, then clicking on update, the information will be updated, and clicking on delete, the information will be deleted. And after clicking on reset button, the all fields will be empty. After clicking meal, the meal details will be opened in this page. An admin can view the meal details, and he also add the new meal type and its price. He also select a meal details, and then he can update and delete the information. After clicking report button, the admin can view the review of the customers which is given by customer. He can able to see the name, the phone number and the review of the customers. Then go to receptionist. After clicking on receptionist button, this staff login page is open, and then give the ID and password. Sorry. Then clicking on login button and go to the staff homepage. After clicking customer button, the receptionist can able to view this page where he can view the customers information and add new customers information, giving the customer's name, age, gender, postcode, mobile number, email, nationality, ID proof type, ID number and address. He also can able to update it and delete the information of any customers. And after clicking on reset button, the all fields will be empty. After clicking room booking button, this room booking details page will open, and giving the value of customer contact, check-in date, check-out date, room type and available room and meal. Then clicking on bill, the number of days, tax, subtotal and total cost will fill up automatically. Then change any of this information. The receptionist can update the information, and also he can able to delete the information. After clicking on pay bill button, the receptionist can view this room booking details, and this page the receptionist can update the paid amount and due amount by giving the pay amount. Clicking on bill, the paid amount and due amount will update it here, and after clicking on pay button, the information will be updated into database and this view details and search system table. Back to the home. In room details, the receptionist will able to see the room details, but he cannot add or update any information. In meal details, after clicking meal details, the receptionist can view the meal details, but he cannot add any information or update or delete any information. After clicking this pay bill button, the receptionist can view this page again. Now the customers button. After clicking on customers button, a customer can able to see this home page. After clicking check info button, after giving his phone number like this and clicking on search button, he can able to see his information. After checkout button clicked, the information will be checked out and the status is updated into database. Clicking on review button, the customers will able to add his review, giving the name, phone number and review. He also able to update and delete his review. And this is our total project. Thank you so much.